So this is a completing the square problem. Write the x squared term first. Factor out the -1. Then complete the square. So we add 25, which changed the radicand by -25. So then we'll change it by +25. Then we'll change the order. We'll put the positive term in front. We'll rewrite this as a perfect square. And factor the 6 out. You don't need to rewrite it in terms of u and a. You can just see the answer from here. But if u is x minus 5, du is just dx. So we can just do that substitution there. And we recognize this formula as the arc sine of u over a. That's it.